guys. Oil changes today. Got it draining. This one next. Probably gonna get the Nibbi in here too. Get a little upgrade.
Gotta get on that next level carb.
Next level carb, dude. Nick's so ready to catch up with us, dude.
So slow right now. So slow.
McSqueaking in the back, dude.
Squeaky. Carb, dude, the gray one too.
Yeah.
Then it matches your plastic bits.
Dude.
Dairy Gold.
Yeah.
The best crate I've ever found, I got from behind a gas station on Reserve Street. It was like this, but it was only this tall.
Oh.
Sweet, so you can swing your leg over still. Okay.
Nice.
This messes up swinging your leg over.
Oh, that's good to know.
It does mess up swinging your leg over.
Here we go.
It is.
There's flies in there.
What's the look in there? How bad is it?
Not that bad.
They're just a
I got
couple
most
little
of
guys.
What? There's nothing in there, Nick.
Did you get all the flies?
There's nothing in there.
We could blow it out.
Oh yeah, there's just
Yeah, just use the blow.
one fly.
I think you're good. Do you want to blow it out? Let's get some. All right, this is gonna take a while to pressure out. Oh, shit.
Beauty. Nice and clean. Yo, Joe, what up?
What's up, dog? How you guys doing?
Good.
Yeah, who's there? Loki said, okay,
Loki,
so
come here.
makes sense.
We best pals.
Got a little leather bag. I'm gonna mount right there.
Yeah.
And then it came with a separate smaller one that I'm thinking about throwing on the handlebars.
Nice.
How hot's the
exhaust get?
Super hot.
Bad, dude. I have a really
Couple
bad
leg burns.
burn mark on my thigh from last year.
Yeah, Mitch got a good one.
No more wearing shorts, dude.
Yep.
Yeah.
We're definitely going faster.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
Smell it.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
That's a weird, dude. That
That
thing's
looks
huge.
so funny.
I mean, that's
Sound like a
something
big old
to wear.
bobblehead.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Got a big noggin as it
Yeah.
is. Damn it. God
Dude, climb.
Damn it.
That is your
Magnum opus tag.
magnum opus, bro.
You gotta get it in.
It's too long again. Why?
Have you asked yourself how important that bolt is yet?
Well, if I were to lose the other one, then my shock is not connected to the wheel.
The packaging
I know,
is
man.
so well done, dude.
The f***ing One Kick Wonder, I feel like they just sent it in like a Ziploc bag, you know?
Oh, it was just loose in a cardboard box. It wasn't even in a bag.
Look at this. They even make the f***ing little screws all rainbow colory for the...
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's beauty.
Look at the difference between this little tiny pecker of a slide
Yeah, versus.
and this one.
Yeah, look at that.
I mean, no wonder you're going
yeah.
so slow, bro.
Dude, I'm gonna be going
Like-
like 80 on this thing after
Dude,
this.
trip
Car,
down memory lane.
graveyard. Look at all this work we've
Remember
done.
how stoked we were on the One Kick Wonder initially?
Yeah. So what? One kick.
And these are $10, right?
The original. Yeah, they're all like basically under 20.
Dan?
With
Yeah.
inflation, they're probably 18.
And this is probably half of the carbs that we've gone through.
yeah. That's
How
true.
much did the one you bought? Just go.
61.
60, yeah. 8 milli bolts for this bad boy, or whatever the f we need.
The socket should be a 10 milli. 8 milli bolt needs a 10 milli
10 milli?
socket. Yeah.
Okay, you got
You
it.
want that?
Yeah.
Hand it to
I'm
me right
sitting here
now.
waiting for it, man. I'm ready.
Cool. Well, it looks like it's missing from the skids. But I found it right here on the floor. Oh no, I need the. Oh yeah, it's in there, dude. So now we need to take part of that One Kick Wonder and splice it into the top of this thing here.
Yeah.
Dude, that you got. Oh, that's gonna work out beautifully. Yeah.
How's she feel?
Oh, that
Bro.
feels way better
this
than
is
the last
snap.
one. Look at that, baby. Yeah.
Why do I have 3 things here? What does this one do?
That drains.
So that's
and
the drain.
I don't know
What's-
what the this thing does.
You guys, I don't know what the
So we need a Y, and we need probably a little more fuel line. Buy another multi-pack of Ys,
Let's
which
get.
we only use one size of the entire pack.
God damn it.
Well, see you guys next time.
Yeah, later, dude. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you for getting this, man.
Nice.
Yeah.
Much appreciated. Yeah, that was quick, man. So speedy. Oh, that went on smooth like eggs.
Yeah, the size isn't quite right, so you kind of have to really ream it on there.
Seems to fit just fine.
No, I got a variety of sizes in here, so I just picked the bigger one.
Yeah, none of them are the right size, but that one is the closest right size, and the other ones we just throw in the trash.
Yeah, it'll be a little...
Yeah, I think you're good.
Okay.
Yeah, pour some gasoline in there.
One way to find out.
So on this carb, this is your idle screw right here.
Okay.
So when you're starting it up, you can turn it in, and that'll make it start easier, and then it'll idle high until it warms, or when it warms up, it'll start to idle high. So then you just back that screw back out.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is your choke right here. Pull this up.
Oh,
And it clicks. And that's your choke. And then when we go to tune the carb here, you got a little screw right here, and that essentially tunes the carb, like adjusts the air and fuel ratio. Okay, so like that's a pretty good starting there to adjust. Kind of bob down a little bit there, right? Go back the other direction. Revving up. Like give it a quick Yeah, no, you're good. You're good.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Want to do Tura fishing access or Tura hills? Fishing access could be chill. I mean, that's like right fucking there. Drink beer by the river. Nobody uses that fishing access ever.
So as your engine breaks in, right, you lose compression, but you'll actually gain top end speed.
Okay.
Because you have less resistance when the piston goes back down. So it'll like wind up easier. You'll get a higher rev.
Oh, cool. Okay.
But,
do you think that might be a reason why you're...
Yeah, I think so, because mine's just so worn.
Yeah.
But you'll lose your speed on a hill because you have less power, basically.
So 54 was my top speed on the flat.
Yeah.
It is a whole new machine. I got 10 miles an hour faster consistently in pretty much every gear, including first gear. Before first gear, I'd have to shift it into second at about 4 to 5 miles an hour.
Yeah.
I couldn't even make it to the stop sign from my alleyway. So half a block before I'd have to shift it into second.
Yeah.
Now I can get up to about 10, 15 miles an hour in first. Second gets me, I think, to about 30. Get up to about 44 in third gear and about 54 in fourth gear.
Now you're hitting 50, no problem, dude.
Yeah, consistently 10 miles an hour faster.
That's why we need to ride each other's bikes more often. It's easier to find our issues trying someone else's bike.
The king of carbs.
King of carbs, guys. Thanks for sponsoring us, Nibbi.
Yeah.
We appreciate it.
Send us some money.
Send us free stuff, Nibbi. Send us free stuff.
This thing's a Rolls Royce though, dude. It's so much more comfortable.
You look way different on it. Yeah.